Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coin Z Collection. Today we have an absolutely incredible coin to talk about, the one Grosz from 2021 Poland. Now you may be thinking, it's just a one Grosz coin? Why is this special? Well, buckle up, because this particular coin has a fascinating story, a unique value, and so much more behind it. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this little coin is making waves in the world of numismatics and could even be worth a whopping $3 million. But before we dive into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our deep dives into rare and valuable coins. Let's get into it. All right, let's take a closer look at this one Grosz 2021 coin. At first glance, it might seem like just another small denomination, but the intricacies of its design tell a different story. That as you can see here, this coin is made of steel, and it's very lightweight, only weighing around 1.2 grams. The design is simple, but with incredible attention to detail. On the obverse side, we have a beautiful image of the Polish eagle, the national symbol of Poland. This eagle has been a part of Poland's heritage for centuries, and you can really see how much care went into capturing its details. That on the reverse side, you'll find a bold, elegant numeral 1 with the word Grosz written beside it. It's minimalistic but packs a punch. The sleek design was made to reflect Poland's modern identity while respecting its deep historical roots. So, what's the history behind the Grosz? The word Grosz dates all the way back to the 14th century, when Poland's currency system was first introduced. It originally came from the German word Groschen, which referred to a coin that was used throughout Europe. Over the years, Poland adopted the Grosz as part of their own monetary system. In fact, the Grosz has been used in various forms throughout Polish history, even during times of war and political upheaval. The one Grosz coin is often viewed as the most affordable unit of currency, but its historical significance is anything but small. It's a symbol of Poland's enduring presence on the world stage. Now, let's get into the one Grosz 2021 coin's journey to becoming potentially worth $3 million. You see, this coin wasn't just minted for circulation. It was part of a very limited edition series. Only a handful of these coins were ever produced, making them extremely rare and valuable in the collector's market. But what makes this 2021 coin even more interesting is the story behind it. In 2021, Poland's central bank decided to commemorate the nation's deep-rooted connection to its heritage. And to do so, they struck a limited number of one Grosz coins that featured unique design elements and rare minting techniques. But here's the catch. Very few of these coins made it into circulation, and even fewer are in mint condition. The scarcity, combined with the artistic intricacies of this piece, means it's highly sought after by numismatists worldwide. But why exactly is this coin valued at such an extraordinary price? Let's break it down. First, rarity plays a huge role. Only a handful of these one Grosz 2021 coins are known to exist, and some estimates suggest that only around 10 to 20 of them are in mint condition. The coin's age plays into the value too, as newer coins are often harder to come by in pristine shape compared to older ones. Second, the condition matters greatly. Coins that have been kept in perfect condition, known as proof or uncirculated coins, are worth far more than those that have been used in everyday transactions. These coins are so rare, in fact, that collectors have begun bidding on them for sky-high prices. And finally, there's the historical and symbolic value. Poland's culture, history, and rich traditions are deeply embedded in these coins, making them much more than just a monetary item. They are pieces of art, culture, and heritage all wrapped into one small, shiny object. Now let's talk about how this one Grosz 2021 coin reached that staggering price of $3 million. It all started when one of these rare, pristine coins was auctioned off by a major numismatic house in Europe. The bidding went through the roof, with collectors around the globe vying for it. The high demand and limited supply created an intense auction atmosphere, and the price soared. In the end, the coin fetched a record-breaking $3 million, making it one of the most expensive one Grosz coins ever sold. What makes this particular story so fascinating is the fact that it's not just a matter of luck or chance. This is a coin with a rich history and symbolic value attached to it, and the auction was the result of years of collecting, preserving, and understanding the deep value of this unique piece of Poland's numismatic legacy. Now, I want to hear from you. What do you think about this one Grosz 2021 coin? Would you pay $3 million for such a small coin? Or do you think the value is a bit overblown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a conversation going about how much these rare coins are really worth. Also, if you've ever collected any coins, let me know what your most valuable coin is. I love hearing your stories, so there you have it. The one Grosz 2021 Poland coin is not just a tiny piece of currency. It's a true piece of history topped to the coin 2 Grosz 2010 coin from Poland. Now, this may look like an ordinary coin to some, but in the world of numismatics, it's a different story. Today, I'll show you why this coin is not only special, but also worth an unbelievable amount. $4 million. Yes, you heard that right. Stick around because I'm going to dive into everything you need to know about this coin, including its history, rarity, and why it could be sitting on a gold mine in your collection. Let's get into it to start off. Let's talk a little bit about the history of the 2 Grosz coin. The Grosz has been in Polish currency since the late 18th century, and it's part of the Polish zloty. In the 2010 series, Poland had already moved into a more modern, refined coin design after transitioning from earlier versions that dated back to the early 20th century. These coins, with their smooth finish and intricate designs, became a mainstay in the Polish economy. The 2 Grosz 2010 coin was produced to commemorate the ongoing modernization of Poland's currency system after the country joined the European Union. This coin was not designed to be anything extravagant, yet it became part of the series of circulating coins that many of us would have used in our daily lives. But little did anyone know, a certain characteristic of this coin would make it stand out in the world of collectors. Now, let's talk about the design of this specific coin. On the obverse, you'll notice the 2 prominently displayed, along with the elegant floral motif which is characteristic of the Polish Grosz series. The reverse features the national emblem of Poland, which consists of the iconic white eagle, a symbol of the country's rich history and heritage. One of the key elements to appreciate here is the fine craftsmanship. Poland has always been known for its coin minting excellence, and this piece is no different. The edges are smooth, with a metallic luster that catches the light just right. But this coin is not just beautiful, it's got something even rarer underneath that is so. Here's the real kicker. The value of the 2 Grosz 2010 coin is not found in its design, but in an incredibly rare mistake that was made during its minting. You see, most of the 2 Grosz coins from this year were struck with standard features, but a very small number of coins were minted with a rare error that made them exceptionally valuable. We're talking about coins that were mis-struck with a higher grade material or even struck in the wrong metal composition. As a result, some of these rare pieces have been known to fetch astronomical prices on the market. Some of these error coins have sold for millions of dollars at auctions, as collectors and investors fight for the chance to own a piece of Polish history. There were only a handful of these error coins produced, and they were often missed during the minting process. This means they became even rarer over time, and only a lucky few people discovered them before they went under the radar. In fact, one of these 2 Grosz error coins fetched over $4 million at auction just a few years ago now. You're probably wondering how you can tell if you have one of these rare 2 Grosz coins. Well, here are a few things to look out for. The rare 2 Grosz error coins were minted with an incorrect alloy. This means they might have a different weight or shine compared to the usual 2 Grosz coins from 2010. If your coin feels heavier or has a different metallic color, you might just have a winner on your hands. Some of these error coins were struck with a much higher degree of precision, giving them a more polished and crisp finish. Compare the sharpness of the details with a regular 2 Grosz coin, and you may notice a distinct difference. The mint mark is another critical feature. The rare error coins were often struck in limited numbers, so check for any discrepancies in the mint marks or the year of issue that could signal a special coin. That it's important to note that these rare coins aren't easy to find. But if you happen to have one in your collection, it could be the key to unlocking a serious fortune now. Let's talk about the broader world of coin collecting. The value of rare coins like the two Grosz 2010 with minting errors isn't just about their initial purchase price. The market for rare coins has grown tremendously over the years, and coins with minting errors or historical significance can command incredible sums. Whether it's the rarity of the coin, its condition, or simply the story, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.